We were given a task to find out what cell we are looking at.
Let's go find out.
We had a human blood smear. It's basically a very thin layer of blood spread on a glass slide and stained with a special dye so we can see different types of blood cells clearly.
And after some careful observation, we figured out what we're seeing: red blood cells and polymorphonuclear white blood cells, also known as neutrophils.
When we look closely, we can see these pink circular cells. These are red blood cells. They have a lighter center and darker edge. That's the biconcave disc shape, which helps them carry oxygen efficiently. They have no nucleus, which means more space for hemoglobin, the molecule that gives them their red color. They look smooth, uniform, and even spaced, all signs of healthy, normal red blood cells.
And right here, we notice something different. The cell has purple stains inside, meaning it has a nucleus, so it's a white blood cell. The nucleus is multi-lobed and connected by thin strands. That's a sign of polymorphonuclear cell, or a neutrophil. Its cytoplasm looks pale pink with tiny granules, which are typical features of a neutrophil.
Red blood cells act like oxygen delivery trucks. They pick up oxygen from the lungs and carry it to every cell in your body. At the same time, bring carbon dioxide back to the lungs to breathe out. Neutrophils, on the other hand, are like soldiers. When bacteria invade, neutrophils are the first one to rush in, surround the germs, and destroy them using enzymes and reactive chemicals. They help control infections and inflammation.
Besides red blood cells and neutrophils, our blood contains other important players. Red blood cells are shaped like tiny donuts without holes. This shape helps them carry oxygen efficiently. They're made in the bone marrow and live about 120 days before being recycled by the liver and spleen. White blood cells are your body defenders. Apart from neutrophils, we have lymphocytes, which produce antibodies, and monocytes, which clean up dead cells and germs. Platelets are small fragments, not full cells. When you get a cut, platelets rush to the site, stick together, and form a plug to stop bleeding, starting the healing process.
So from a simple blood smear, we actually learned a lot about what's happening inside our bodies. We learned how red blood cells carry oxygen, neutrophils defend us from infection, and how other cells like lymphocytes and platelets play their roles too. Every drop of blood is like a tiny universe of activity, keeping us healthy, alive, and safe. Science isn't just something in textbook, it's happening right here in our own cells. Thank you for exploring with us. See you in the next discovery.